Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful lizard painting with alcohol ink. So before we start, please make sure to read the safety tips on alcohol ink art, which is very important. And this is the paper that I use, ultra premium photo paper, high gloss from Staples. But you could also make this painting in Yupo or Nara paper or any synthetic paper. And for blending, I use this 91% isopropyl alcohol. And let us start the painting by drawing a quick outline using this Cali art markers. These are alcohol ink based markers, so that will easily blend with alcohol. So that's why I use this to make the painting. So I use the back side of the photo paper to make the painting, not the glossy side, because the inks flow easily on the non-glossy side. So let us draw the quick outline of a lizard using these markers. So after the outline is done, then we'll start coloring with two colors. I use glacier and this mermaid color. Glacier is almost like blue and mermaid is teal color. Since this is an abstract painting, not really abstract, but I use different colors to make any painting. So if you don't like these color combinations, you can use any other color combinations also. It is up to your preference. And normally I don't use any brush to make the painting. I roll a piece of wax paper and I use that as a brush to make the painting. So the thing that you see on my hand is a piece of wax paper that I rolled like a tube and that I dip on the colors and then I add it to the drawing paper. So you can keep following my painting on how I make this lizard. And in the meantime, if this is your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. So whenever I post new videos, you will be the first one to get notified. So basically for this painting, I just add random drops of colors here and there. And then after this dries, then I will add isopropyl alcohol. adding the isopropyl alcohol, and I'll be making some dots using plain isopropyl alcohol and drop it into the colors. So like you can see, it creates abstract shapes in the lizard. So that's what we need. When you add isopropyl alcohol to the alcohol ink color, it blends and creates like a bubble, which is exactly the texture that you want for making any reptiles painting or fish or any other kind of animals. This is a good technique.